Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss properties of triangles exercise problems. This video is continuity for previous video. Let us have a discussion on the first question here. Prove that small a into cos A plus small b into cos B plus small c into cos C is equal to 4 or sin A, sin B, sin C. This result we have to prove that. So how to do that? In properties of triangles, prove that some question is given. You can understand that all problems are related to triangle. So now in triangle ABC, A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C equal to 4 or sin A, sin B, sin C. Here LHS, consider LHS. Now A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C, which is equal to, from sine rule we have A equal to 2r sin A, B equal to 2r sin B, C equal to 2r sin C. So 2r sin A into cos A plus 2r sin B into cos B plus 2r sin C into cos C. After completing of this step, take common R from every term. The rest of the terms, 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, 2 sin B cos B, sin 2B, 2 sin C cos C, sin 2C. So here sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. After completing of this step, by using transformations, the first two terms, it is in the form of sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2, sin C minus D by 2. So we can apply transformation formulae for the first two terms. Sin 2a plus sin 2b, we can write directly 2 sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b. 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2, that means a plus b. Cos of 2a minus 2b by 2, that means cos of a minus b. Plus sin 2c can be written as 2 sin C cos C. So after that, in triangle ABC, we have A plus B plus C equal to 180. Generally, we cannot write this side. Here we have to write, but according to the place I am writing here, you can understand that. So A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Taking sine on both sides. Why? Here sine term is there. So sine of A plus B equal to sine of 180 minus C. Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine C here. Sine of A plus B, wherever sine of A plus B is there, here we can write it as sine C. In triangle ABC, we have this result. So wherever sine of A plus B is there, you can replace with 2 into sin C into cos of A minus B plus 2 sin C into cos C. So now you can take common 2 2 sin c, which is equal to capital R into, from these two terms, 2 sin c, if we take out common, we will get cos of a minus b plus cos c. After this step, cos c, here a plus b is equal to 180 minus c, no? So from this result, c equal to a plus b plus c equal to 180, c equal to 180 minus of a plus b, taking cos on both sides, cos c equal to cos of 180 minus a plus b. We know that cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos of a plus b is equal to cos c. So in place of cos c, we have to write minus of cos a plus b, which is equal to 2r sin c into cos of a minus b. In place of cos c, minus of cos of a plus b. We know that again formulas from transformations. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. Suppose if you do not remember, you have to write the formula for cos of a minus b and cos of a plus b and then expand and cancel it the terms. The remaining terms will become 2 sin a sin b. So 2r sin c, those who are not able to remember the formula, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to 2 sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b formula you have to write, minus of cos of a plus b formula you have to write and then simplify. So here I am writing directly, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. They are asking to prove that 4r, so 2 into 2 is 4 into r, 4r sin a into sin b into sin c, hence proved, which is equal to RHS. The next question, prove that summation or sigma a cube into sine of b minus c is equal to 0. Prove that sigma a cube into sine of b minus c equal to 0. So how to do that? Now consider LHS. Summation or sigma a cube into sine of b minus c, that is equal to sigma a cube can be written as a square into a into sine of b minus c. In place of small a, here one of the a is there, no? From sine rule, 2r sin a we have to write it, which is equal to summation a square, in place of a, 2r sin a into sine of b minus c. After that, in place of sin a, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Since a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Here sin a is there, no? So I am making a as a subject. So a equal to 180 minus of b plus c, taking sine on both sides. Sin a equal to sine of 180 minus b plus c. We know that sine of 180 minus theta is sin theta, which is equal to sine of b plus c. So wherever sin a is there here, you have to replace with sine of b plus c, which is equal to sigma a square into 2r In place of sine A, sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C. Which is equal to, here 2 and R is constant, we can take outside, sigma A square. We know that again from again from transformations, sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C, we can write it as sine square B minus sine square C. Sine square B minus sine square C. Sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C, we can write it as sine square B minus sine square C. Again from sine rule, 2R into sigma A square into, from sine rule, sine B, if you make it a subject, it will become A by 2R, sorry, B by 2R. So B by 2R whole square. Minus, similarly, again from sine rule, C by 2R whole square, which is also equal to 2R into sigma A square. In this 4R square, here also 4R square is there, we can take outside. So first you write it B square by 4R square minus C square by 4R square. 4R square take common and we can take outside. It will become as 2R by 4R square into sigma A square into B square minus C square. So after simplifying here, one of the R cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are, which is equal to 1 by 2R summation or sigma A square into B square minus C square. If you expand by using cyclic process, we will get 1 by 2R into, if you expand the sigma, it will becomes A square into B square minus C square plus B square into C square minus A square plus C square into A square minus B square, which is equal to 1 by 2R A square B square, actual multiplication, A square C square plus B square C square minus A square B square plus C square A square minus B square C square. So plus B square C square minus B square C square plus A square B square minus A square B square minus A square C square plus A square C square get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by 2R into 0, which is equal to 0. Therefore, conclusion step, summation or sigma A cube into sine of B minus C is equal to 0. Hence proved. The next question, prove that A into sine of B minus C divided by B square minus C square, which is equal to B into sine of C minus A divided by C square minus A square, which is equal to C by C into sine of A minus B divided by A square minus B square is equal to 1 by 2R. So in this case what we have to do, one of the values you have to prove as 1 by 2R, and then similarly you can write, we can prove that other 2 also equal to 1 by 2R. Let us consider the first one. Consider A into sine of B minus C divided by B square minus C square, which is equal to, from sine rules, small a value we know that is 2R sine A, which is equal into sine of B minus C divided by b square. So we can write as 2r sin b whole square. 2r sin b whole square minus 2r sin c whole square, which is also can be written as, just now we proved that sin a equal to sin of b plus c. Since a plus b plus c is equal to 180, a equal to 180 minus b plus c. So sin a equal to sin of 180 minus b plus c is sin c. So sin b plus c. 2r into sin a equal to sin of b plus c. In the previous problem, I discussed how we are getting sin of b plus c instead of sin a. Sin of b minus c divided by 4r square sin square b minus 4r square sin square c. After that, 2r into sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. Sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c is sin square b minus sin square c. Divided by, in the denominator 4r square if you take out common, you will get sin square b minus sin square c. So both the bracket values are equal, you can cancel it. And one of the r value also cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So which is equal to 1 by 2r. Similarly, we can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that b into sin of c minus a divided by c square minus a square, which is equal to c into sin of a minus b divided by a square minus b square is also equal to 1 by 2r. Hence proved. So ultimately what we have to say? These values, a into sin of b minus c by b square minus c square, which is equal to b into sin of c minus a by c square minus a square, which is equal to c into sin of a minus b by a square minus b square equal to 1 by 2r. The next question, prove that summation a square into sin of b minus c, like previous problem only, divided by sin b plus sin c, which is also equal to 0. Now consider LHS. LHS means summation or sigma a square into sin of b minus c divided by sin b plus sin c. In place of a square, a into a you have to write. After that, one of the a we can write as 2r sin a, which is equal to sigma a into a sin of b minus c divided by sin b plus sin c. After that, sigma a into, one of the a can be written as 2r sin a sin of b minus c divided by sin b plus sin c, which is equal to sigma a into 2r into sin a. In triangle ABC we can write it as, in previous question also we got it, sin a equal to sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c here, divided by sin b plus sin c. We know that sigma a into 2r sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c can be written as sin square b minus sin square c, divided by sin b plus sin c. Numerator, it is in the form of a plus a square minus b square. So b square minus c square means b plus c into b plus b minus c. So sin square b minus sin square c can be written as sin b plus sin c into sin b minus sin c, which is equal to sigma a into 2r. This can be written as sin b minus sin c into sin b plus sin c, whole divided by sin b plus sin c. So sin b plus sin c will be cancelled. The rest of the terms we can write it as a into 2r we can take into the bracket. So 2r sin b minus 2r sin c. We know that from sin rule 2r sin b is small b, 2r sin c is small c. So which is equal to small sigma a into b minus c from sin rule. So again, by using cyclic order, if we remove that sigma, it will becomes a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. Actual multiplication ab minus ac plus bc minus ba plus ca minus cb. So plus AB minus AB cancel, minus AC plus AC plus BC minus BC, which is equal to 0. Therefore, they are asking to prove it is sigma A square into sin of B minus C by sin B plus sin C is equal to 0. Hence, proved. The next question. Prove that a by bc plus cos a by a equal to b by ac plus cos b by b equal to c by ab plus cos c by c equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. Among these three, we have to consider one thing, one value, and prove that a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc, and then similarly we can write it. So here, first one I am taking now. Consider a by bc plus cos a divided by small a, which is equal to, take LCM ABC. Here BC, here A, LCM is ABC. After that, here BC get cancelled, a into a square plus a get cancelled, BC into cos a, BC cos a. After this step, you have to write the formula for cos a, which is equal to a square plus BC into, in place of cos a, you have to write the formula b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc whole divided by abc. Here BC get cancelled. 2 LCM here in the numerator. 2 into a square, 2a square. So it will becomes 2a square plus b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 will become into the denominator, therefore it will become as 2 into ABC. So 2a square minus a square is a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. Therefore, a divided by bc plus cos a divided by a is equal to a square plus b square plus c square divided by 2abc. Similarly, we can prove that. B by CA or AC plus cos B divided by small b, which is also equal to small c by AB plus cos C divided by small c equal to a square plus b square plus c square divided by 2abc, hence proved. This is the way you have to prove the answer. Let us have a discussion. The next question. Here already I wrote the question. Prove that 1 plus cos of a minus b into cos c divided by 1 plus cos of a minus c into cos b, which is equal to a square plus b square divided by a square plus c square. Consider LHS. 1 plus cos of a minus b into cos c whole divided by 1 plus cos of a minus c divided by cos b, which is equal to, in triangle ABC we know that, since here I am writing, in triangle ABC, here cos C is there, no, cos C and cos B. So a plus b plus c is equal to 180. From that, we can take C as a subject. C equal to 180 minus of a plus b. Taking cos on both sides, cos C equal to cos of 180 minus a plus b. So cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So minus of cos of a plus b. So cos C equal to minus of cos of a plus b. Similarly, if you want to write cos b, so similarly cos b equal to minus cos of a plus c will come. So these results we are going to apply in this coming step. 1. In place of cos c, I am writing minus of cos of a plus b. So plus into minus is minus. Already cos of a minus b is there. In place of cos c only, I wrote here minus cos of a plus b divided by 1 cos b. Cos b is minus of cos of a plus c. So minus cos of a minus c into cos of a plus c. After this step, which is equal to 1 minus cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b, we have formula cos square a minus sin square b. These are the fundamental formulas. Cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b is cos square a minus sin square b divided by, same formula here also, 1 minus, keep bracket, cos square a minus sin square c. After that, multiplying by minus that bracket values, we will get 1 minus cos square a, minus into minus is plus sin square b whole divided by 1 minus cos square a plus sine square c. We know that from identities 1 minus cos square a is sine square a plus sine square b divided by 1 minus cos square a sine square a plus sine square c. After getting of this step, from again sine rules, from sine rule a equal to 2r sine a, from that a make sine a make as a subject a by 2r equal to sine a, and sine b sine c also similarly b by 2r equal to sine b, sine c equal to c by 2r. These values we are going to substitute here. Square is there, no? Directly you can write as a by 2r whole square. That means a square by 4r square plus b square by 4r square whole divided by a square divided by 4r square plus c square divided by 4r square. So from the numerator and denominator 1 by 4r square take common. We will get here a square plus b square. In the denominator itself 1 by 4r square into a square plus c square. So you can cancel it 1 by 4r square in both numerator and denominator. So we will get it as a square plus b square divided by a square plus c square, which is our required RHS. Hence proved. The next question, if C equal to 60 degrees, then show that A by, first question, A by B plus C plus B by C plus A equal to 1, and second result, B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square equal to 0. So here condition is there, C is equal to 60 degrees. So given C equal to 60 degrees, given C equal to 60 degrees, by using cosine rules, by cosine rule, C square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos c. In place of c substitute 60 degrees, angle c might is, it is not a small c, angle it is. So c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos 60. Cos 60 value we know that it is 1 by 2. So c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into ab into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. We got the result c square equal to a square plus b square minus ab. You put it in the box. This result we will apply in the coming steps. You put as star mark. After reaching of this step, consider the first question LHS. The first question LHS. In that, what is that LHS value? A by B plus C plus B by C plus A, which is equal to, take LCM here, B plus C into C plus A. So B plus C get cancelled. A into A plus C or C plus A plus C plus A get cancelled. B into B plus C. So now simplification, which is equal to AC, A into C AC plus a into a square, plus b into b square, and plus bc whole divided by, here also actual multiplication, bc plus ab, first b into c, after that b into a, plus c into c square, after that plus ca or ac. Here what we are doing is, in place of c square denominator, you have to write this star mark value. So it will becomes ac plus a square plus b square plus bc divided by bc plus ab plus ac. In place of c square, you have to write this value, plus a square plus b square minus ab. So here plus ab minus ab get cancelled. The rest of the terms as usual you have to write a square, write in the order, plus b square plus bc plus ac divided by, here also first a square plus b square, after that plus bc plus ac. We observe that both numerator and denominators are same, no? So you can cancel it, all the values, numerator completely and denominator you have to cancel it, which is equal to 1, which is required RHS. Hence proved. We will move to the next question in this. Here we have to write from since star mark, from star. Even if you want to write, you can write as equation 1 or 2 like. But according to convenience, I am writing here. Let us consider the second question, Roman letter 2, LHS. In the second question, b by c square minus a square plus a by c square minus b square equal to. Now take that LCM here. Before doing that LCM, b divided by, in place of c square, you have to write this star mark, a square plus b square minus ab. So a square plus b square minus ab, in place of c square we substituted, minus a square, first term completed. Come to the second term, a divided by c square, again c square value is a square plus b square minus ab minus b square. Since we have c square equal to a square plus b square minus ab from star mark. So now minus a square plus a square cancel, minus b square plus b square get cancelled. From these two take common b, from these two take common a. So b divided by b into b minus a plus a by a into a minus b. So here b get cancelled, here a get cancelled. 1 by b minus a plus 1 by a minus b. They are asking to prove this value is 0. Now what I am doing is, just I am interchanging these values. Instead of writing a minus b, minus of b minus a I am writing. So 1 by b minus a minus 1 by, interchanging of these two, then only we are getting here minus. So minus b by a. 1 by b minus a minus 1 by b minus a. Both are same values. Same values means we should cancel it. So we will get as 0. Therefore, which is required? RHS. Hence, proved. The next question. Show that cos a by a plus cos b by b plus cos c by c equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. So here, LHS, consider LHS cos a divided by small a plus cos b divided by small b plus cos c divided by small c, which is equal to, what is the formula for cos A? B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC whole divided by A plus, so cos B formula, so A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC whole divided by B plus cos C formula, A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB divided by C. So 2AB, 2BC also in the first term we can come to the denominator. It will come to the denominator even here also, here also. So LCM for this, B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2ABC plus A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2ABC plus A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2ABC. So after taking LCM here, 2ABC is the LCM, B square plus C square minus A square plus A square plus C square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus C square minus C square plus C square plus B square minus B square plus A square minus A square get cancelled. We will get A square plus B square plus C square divided by 2ABC. Hence proved RHS. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives.